It is Sunday, May the 31st, 2020. It is 81 degrees. We're on Old Covington Highway, US Highway 278. It's about 1:15 in the afternoon. We're heading northwest into Lithonia, Georgia. We've just bypassed Conyers, and we'll be going into Lithonia, Georgia, on Old Covington Highway, US 278. Lithonia, Georgia was founded in 1856. As of 2014, the population was 1,924. It is 925 feet above sea level. And the square mileage surface area of the city proper is 0.931. The zip codes are 30038 and 30058. The area code is 770. We just passed a site that is available. It used to be the old Moonlit Drive-In years ago. We're headed west. It is 81 degrees. To our left is Interstate 20. To our right is the railroad. We're running parallel or running between the two. We're going to take the right fork up here and go through the old town. During the Battle of Atlanta, July 1864, Union forces under Sherman rode east and cut the railroad all the way out. I'm not sure how far, but cut it way out. That person needs to get out of the road. They are prone to get run over. This railroad was cut in several places. This is very historic. This road and everything down all through this area is very historic, especially for the Civil War. Decatur, Stone Mountain, DeKalb Avenue or Decatur Street, south around Grant Park, all through there for the Battle of Atlanta. If we come across a history marker or two, we may stop. And we'll be entering the actual town here shortly. We're coming up on Old Georgia 124. If you turn right here, it'll take you out to the new bypass. It'll take you all the way over to Snellville, up through Lawrenceville, up through Brazelton, all the way up through there. If you go left, it takes you out down, and I think that ends into Highway 155. We're going to turn left up here and go through town. And we're not going to go back down to Covington Highway. We're going to turn and cut back and be on, I guess it'd be Old Stone Mountain, and go into Stone Mountain. I'm going to turn right here where you can see some of the old block buildings. on down about a half a mile is Old Covenant Highway. You go through that intersection, you will hit Interstate 20 again, but we're going to turn right up here. Cut in there, but we'll turn right here. Max Cleland. We will be turning left right down here. I'll get the name of the road as soon as I have a road sign, but I think it's Old Stone Mountain. Historical church. Well, they call it Stone Mountain Street here. We get on through town here, we will pull over and let these people behind us get by. This railroad will run right on up and run through Stone Mountain. Here's an old cemetery here on the left. Nice magnolia tree. Yeah, then this railroad will run right down through Stone Mountain, Clarkston, Scottdale, right on into Decatur, and go over to what was, used to be the terminus. Industrial area of Lithonia. Lithonia is located in DeKalb County, South DeKalb County. Let's see what they're up to. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. This will conclude our drive through of Lithonia, Georgia.